Let me ask you this question, that how would you feel if I told you this, that your channel has got some problems with it? Like what kind of problems can your channel have, right? It's a question. So it happened to me today, with me today. And the thing is, here is the thing. So today I woke up normally, and after that, uh, I was pretty late, to be true. So I saw this. An email came and it was like, we have removed your channel from YouTube. And let me say you this, this is my first YouTube channel, that is our faceless YouTube channel, and I started this on 2018. So what would be your reaction? Sad, happy, or what can be? Just comment down below. So just imagine this, that you are making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month from one single channel, like 20 to 30,000 from one single channel, and after suddenly you wake up and you feel like, oh my god, what has happened? Your channel has been completely terminated. Will you be happy? Sad? What would be your reaction? And I was like, is this kind of a joke that's happening? Because just think about this. I've been running this channel, posting 3 times every single week, and completely, all of it is completely automated. But suddenly, this is my first time, to be true. I don't know what to do, to be true. I have no idea that what will gonna be happening, because I have appealed to the YouTube people, and you can see today, 7 hours ago, this has occurred. That is 10:12 a.m. today this came, and I woke up just 10 minutes before this message came into my mobile. I was trying to, so I woke up and I would just go on to my analytics to see how all my channels are performing. And you see, you just on your phone, you see what the time is, and then you get a notification like your channel has been removed from YouTube completely. Your 4 years is gone. The thousands of dollars that was coming as passive flow would be gone. Your freelancers will not have work. You will still have the team, right? But the community violations has occurred, some community guidelines has occurred, and there were some problems, and I am sorting things out, that what has happened, why this has happened, because the whole channel was kind of completely automated. Proper systems were done for brand deals, for affiliate marketing, affiliate sales. Everything was set up because it was my first channel, and this channel has got a unique story, to be true, because this channel was not a normal channel, and it was not even created. Because you see, whenever you start your first channel into a specific zone, that is faceless channel, it is like your first thing that you're doing. So I started this channel in 2018. The best thing of all, this channel, it hasn't been started from anywhere, like the way people start channels from home, from any office. Nothing like that. It has been started on a train. Just think about it. A YouTube channel started on train, right? I think you might not have ever thought about it. So I was going on a tour for a vacation, you can say. So I was going through to a vacation point, and this channel was started on that midway. So you can actually say the channel name was on a different location, the channel branding was on a different location, the channel tags was on a different location. So the channel is unique in itself, and that is the fun of it. This channel is that special because it's not because it's my first channel, but this channel was just amazing. I don't know what should do. The most regret that I'm feeling right now, I have appealed, and I feel that I'm going to be getting back my channel, because mostly I am cross-checking everything, and mostly that all of the violations that might be there, are not true, because I have appealed, and I know what are the guidelines, because I've given them proper guidelines. The most important thing that I have learned from this is to go on to every single channel at least once a week, so that we can actually have a KPI index of every single thing, of every single you can say the every single freelancer, because it's a huge loss, not just to me but also to the whole team, to the people who are working remotely. And that is quite sad. Imagine this, you are making like, let's assume 20 to 30,000 from a single channel, and this channel was into finance niche, and that is why the RPM on finance niche is really high. Okay, so whenever you make good amount of money from that channel, you are going to be disheartened, not because of the money but also because of the things that has happened, like the journey, which is much more important for me. I'm really sad about the channel that has went. Actually, I'm really sad about that thing. Yeah, pretty sad. Yeah, what to do, I don't know, I don't have any idea. So right now I'm working on that for last 6 to 7 hours, for like 5-6 hours to be true, not 7 hours, like 5-6 hours straight. I'm cross-checking what has happened, what was the upload way, and what was the content that has been done, what are the things that has been there. Because you see, I have two options to be true right now. Right now I have two options. That is, yeah, it's true, other channels are running, pretty happy about that, but I have to implement the learnings onto other channels right now, because this channel was really close to my heart to be true. Yeah, I'm getting completely biased about this thing, but yeah, it's my first channel, and it has got a great story. It has got a great story in itself. So I love that. I have loved that channel, and that channel was really close to my heart, because since it was into a finance niche and the topics were made by me, I used to select the topics. Yeah, that was really amazing. I got into that memory lane on 2018, that how I started the channel, what used to be the mistakes and stuff. So yeah, I'm being completely authentic, because right now I don't have any course to sell to you, and just these are the things that happens that any course can never teach you. And I am being completely honest about the things you might be facing at some point of time whenever your channels get into real getting views. Like, imagine this, that if you're getting how much, like 500-600k subscribers, then you will be having all these things. You are going to be having all that's problems, and these are some good problems, right? I mean, these are some good problems, fun things, and it's a part of everything. So I feel that it's gonna be worth it at some point, and let's see. I hope that you might not get into that trouble. Let's see. That was all for today. This was really sad, and that's why no video is coming today. But here is the thing that you can actually learn, because the main motive was not to cram about the things that this has happened to feel sad, but no, nothing like that. I'm completely okay and happy about other channels, and I got a learning about the thing. But the most important thing is this one, that what should be your outtake on that. That is, you're gonna be having all these issues, but the option is not to back off from these situations. I know that we can again make a team, we can go much faster. I mean, the work that we have done in 4 years can be covered up in 1.5 years. Yeah, it's gonna be taking some time. 1.5 years is a really good amount of time, and we can actually accelerate everything, but some things take time. Really sad about the thing, but that's the learning that you can take from this video. So that was all for today. See you in another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that if you feel like. Okay, and do comment on the things that if you have any problem, you can simply tell it to me. I have no issues telling you the answers, because I feel that you might fall into that situation. Because you see, there are some stages. First is launching a channel, and then you keep growing and growing. First of all, if you don't have any single money, so you start a channel by yourself. You do the scripting, you do the voiceover, you do the the video editing and SEO and thumbnails and all that. Then you scale the things. That means what? Then you actually leverage, and there's a difference between leverage and scaling. Then you leverage the thing and you focus on scaling. Okay, then you get into the leverage and scaling thing, and then you actually get into a real focus, that is the you can get into the affiliate marketing, so that you can make a brand, build some amazing team, and then you can actually be the titan of the industry. So these are some core fundamentals that you can actually learn. So whenever you're starting by, you're going to be having some common problems that everybody faces. I mean, when I say everybody, I mean like I know hundreds of peoples, because I have myself have told them that they're going to be problems. These are the problems that's going to be facing, and they have faced some other kind of problem, and that has become the teachings of other people. That means what? So for example, why you should be doing the same mistake multiple times, right? So for example, when one has done a mistake, we can learn from that, and this learning can be a lesson for other person, and then again the cycle continues again and again and again. So this is really amazing to be true, and this is a lesson for you and a learning for me, so that we can go on a progress, and we can, I think, be going ahead and make some great progress about the things. So that was all for today. See you again on another video.